department and procedure, and see the average length of the stay, and as well as the improved and efficient process, and finally there is a waste, fraud and abuse of the resources also one of the biggest challenges related to the operations manager. And with this I just conclude this operations management related to what to do the operations managers do in the hospitals. You know very well the hospital administrative aspect of OPD, IPD, casualty, OT and diagnostics and other medical services provided by the hospitals like the day surgery and home care and as well as the mobile healthcare services, and these administrative aspects including the activities like appointment, scheduling, patient registration, billing and payment, and as well as admissions and discharge in case of IPD, and as well as the managing beds and OT availability and OT scheduling also one of the operations manager has dues in the hospital. And finally we have going to like other one is that operations manager would also have to think of innovative ways to improve the process, and they would also have to consistently improve processes and facilities to improve the overall services of a patient. In addition, operations manager also manage the operations of the some supportive services like laundry, housekeeping and other services also. See, these are some of the duties we have to framing, like the duties are the operations manager into the five some duties like called as managing health services and strategic planning, and as well as technological proficiency and implementing policy, like other one is that the last one there is data analysis. With this the operations manager has to play a key role. We can say that he has to be playing the key role in the healthcare system, like that he has to be that ensuring that skill set of the key like the clinical and managerial team members and amongst the best one, and also achieve the maintained accreditation status and international standards, and as well as telemedicine. You know, this is also one of the wonderful role played the operational as well as the administrative point of view, that the linkaging between the managerial like the facilities and the territory care facilities with enabling the patients and the doctors to consult a large network of the medical consultant based at other facilities. And see this we can say the exchanging program for medical consultants and nurses and technicians to facilitate knowledge sharing and technology exchanges. With this, the lastly we have going on to some decisions related to the maintaining the operations manager. These decisions are come as an analytical and scientific framework for the decision in place to the systematic steps. These steps are like defining the problem and establishing the decision criteria and formulation of a model, and as well as generating some alternative and evaluation of the alternative, and finally the implementation and monitoring. So this time of that the operational manager role and duties, and as well as the decision making framework has into the healthcare as well as the hospitals. Thank you, and thank you very much.